Yes, Assalamualaikum. To wrap up our event listener, which will be our last lecture. So during the previous class, we already uh, disable all the procedure and function in my first method. Okay, so let's also disable this one. Okay, and we already add event listener based on arrow key press, mouse click, and also proximity enter. Okay, so let's try to run this one just to check what we have done in the previous class. Okay, so we can control our main character, which is now the alien. Okay, and we can switch the main character with the mouse click. So now the main character will be the bunny. Okay, and we try to get bunny to go to alien. Yeah, so alien will be the second character. But if we make our program like this, it won't be nice, like they are not being friendly. So to improve that, what we can do is once they are close to each other, okay, they will turn to face each other. So what we can do here is we put turn face to, okay, turn face to second character. The main character will turn face to second character, and also the second character will turn face to the main character. Okay, we add this one and put it into together so that they will turn their face at the same time. So let's try this one. Okay, so our main character now is alien. Okay, and then change our main character to bunny. Okay, okay, good. Okay, so now let's make bunny walk to alien. Okay. See, now they are facing each other, so it's much better. Okay, so everything is working now. Okay, so let's save the file first. Okay, so the last one, the last thing we need to do, we need to learn is how to start our program only when they are close to each other. So to do that, we need to manipulate scene activated and also proximity enter. So now you can see that our scene is activated with my first method, which is this one. What we already cancel everything here. So what we can do now is maybe we can try to disable this one. Let's see what will happen. So let's try, right? So our character is still there because all of it is declared. Okay. So we still turn face and still can see. Okay. So but our program start with everything is hidden and then time countdown and then only show all object. So to activate this one, what we can do is we put all this function, all this procedure inside scene activated. So hide all object first. Okay, so let's try to run. See, no object there. Okay, and then start the timer countdown. We start with 10. Okay, so that's the beauty of making everything in function and procedure. So it will be easy for us to move it around. Let's try to run this one. Okay, so the countdown is working. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, and last one, we want to show all. Okay, let's try this one. See, so we can see that all object is there. We can control our main character. Okay, and let's try to change our main character to the bunny. Now bunny is walking towards area and start to page. Nice. Everything's there. So now we want the second character to start to ask question whenever they are close to each other. So for that, we don't need this first method here. We can simply delete this one and we can move our what we call that, my first method to here. Okay, so now we need to reactivate our uh, function and procedure in my first method. So let's enable this one. Enable. Okay. Okay, good. Now our main character is alien. Let's switch main character to who is this? To Bunny. Okay. So Bunny go there and second character start, and then second character. And then the Bunny will start to ask question. Okay. But the problem here is Bunny is our main character now. So to make Bunny as a main character, we need to edit, okay, to adjust our function used in my first method. So here we have one function, two function, three function, and one procedure. Okay, so let's check all these function and procedure. So to check that, we start with the first one, add function. Add function. So we go to C. Let's see what add function is all about. So add function is just addition of a number. So nothing to do with the character. So the second one is get user answer. So let's go to scene again, check our function get user answer. So here we observe that, okay, Bunny will always ask the question. So we want the second character, no matter who it is, to ask question. So to do that, we change it to second character. And the next thing, the alien will always answer the question, but we want the main character to answer the question, so we can change that one. And then what else? After get user answer, we have to check user answer function. So go to C again, check user answer. Okay, so in this one, let's find any character involved. Okay, so Bunny previously was our second character or the system. So we want to change this to the second character. Okay, oh, Bunny will be second character. Let's check. Okay, one more Bunny over here. So let's change this to second character. Okay, and then the last one will be a procedure. Final display, a final message. So let's go to the final message procedure. So here they just set positive to alien and bunny. So this one it doesn't matter, okay, because both of the characters doing the same. So let's save this one. Okay, so save. Okay, we'll save this one. Let's try to run. Okay, okay. So the first run we will exit on you lose. We will maintain the first character, alien as first character. Okay, and Bunny as second character. Okay, so let me alien the first character. Okay, let's try to exit on you. Okay, then okay, there. So let's move Bunny a little bit to the back. Okay, so we want to exit on you lose. Okay, see. So see that only Bunny will ask question. Okay, so alien will not ask any question. Okay. So now let's try to exit on UV. Okay. And Bunny become the second character. That's mean the alien will keep asking question. Okay, so let's switch. So the main character now is alien. Switch the main character to bunny. Okay, so now the main character is bunny. Bunny will move to alien. Okay, see now alien will always ask questions. So that means alien is the second. Okay. So let's run. Okay. Good. So let's run it. Let's click. Good. Now let's exit on you. Okay. So, and so, so that's how we set who is the main character or the user and who will be the second character or the system. Okay. So here, let's recap what we have learned throughout this semester. So we start by manipulating my first method. Okay, so basically at the beginning, okay, my first method will be always be invoked at scene activated. That means at the beginning of ours, when we start learning about Alice, my first method is always in scene activated. But as we go through and we go through this last chapter, which is event listener, okay, we don't want the first method to be straight away in executed. We want my first method, okay, to be executed only when the character, the main character, which is the user, and the second character, which is the system, close to each other. So we will activate them using proximity enter. Okay, so aside from that, second last chapter we learn about procedure and function. Both of it is method. Procedure is a void method and function is a non-void method. And then we also learn about, before that we learn about looping. Okay, we learn about looping. There are 1, 2, 3 kind of looping. Count 1 and for each in. So this one will involve array. Okay, and before that we learn selection control structure. Okay, so selection control structure we learn about using if. Okay, so that's all for this semester. Hopefully you can start your project and your test when the question is given to you. So good luck and thank you. Assalamualaikum.